Hi, my name is Muhammad Fadlan bin Wahelmi. I would like to present my product indoor gardening IoT based system. Introduction. This project will help the public to ensure their plant to adequate air and soil moisture and temperature. Furthermore, the public also has access to mobile phone to check temperature, humidity, and soil moisture. In addition, the project has used NodeMCU to encode program. Blynk application is used to control grow light and water pump motor. Problem statement. Nowadays, most people choose to live high-rise properties because of the cost to own landed property very expensive. So people will have to do gardening activities. The problem that people face are space limitation, time limitation, and cost of living. Application. This process, this this project focus on designing a farming system using NodeMCU as a controller while using smartphone and as a switch which can control load from an assured range. The sensors has have been linked to controller via relay, and the smartphone will transmit the signal to the controller via Wi-Fi communication module to the water pump on and off. This project to automate the device and Android application encoding for the sensors and water pump was developed. This device can be used not only for small farm but any form of agricultural purpose. Novelty. This device is the first product manually controlled by any smartphone ever made. Commercialization potential. The number of potential residential in Malaysia is 7.35 million on year 2010. 5% is targeting commercialization potential. The cost of product is 300 ringgit. The profit is 60 ringgit, which is the 20% of cost of product. The selling price is 360 ringgit, which is sum of cost and profit. That's all for today. Thank you.